Hidden beneath the surface of the global economy, over 1 trillion deployments of a single software engine are quietly executing their instructions. This unseen code powers commercial aviation networks, naval fleets, and consumer electronics simultaneously, operating without a single user noticing its presence. A team of exactly 3 developers maintains this trillion-instance network entirely independently. This software anomaly offers a window into the physical mechanisms ensuring the survival of modern infrastructure. In the spring of 2000, that architecture was forged aboard the USS Oscar Austin, an Arleigh Burke-class guided missile destroyer. The ship relied on a traditional client-server database to manage its mechanical damage control systems, sending data across a physical network of external racks and cables. When the destroyer experienced power losses, the external server database crashed and took hours to reboot, leaving the warship defenseless during the recovery. Developer D. Richard Hipp received a mandate to build a database that removed the need for a vulnerable, disconnected server. The demands of physical survival birthed this serverless, embedded architecture. Unlike a traditional database that requires sprawling acres of remote servers, embedded architecture collapses that entire infrastructure into a localized file. The entire database engine is optimized to operate within a total footprint of less than 2 megabytes. This minimal footprint allows developers to embed the software directly onto microchips within automobiles, mobile phones, and household appliances. Self-containment removes the external network dependencies that once crippled the Oscar Austin. That reliability eventually reached the commercial aerospace industry, becoming a component of the flight systems for the Airbus A350. To operate inside a passenger jet, the code had to meet the DO-178B certification, a strict mathematical and legal mandate for life-and-death aviation software. To verify just 160,000 lines of production code, the team built over 100 million lines of relentless test code. They utilized 100% modified condition decision coverage, bombarding every logical branch with billions of malformed inputs in a digital wind tunnel designed to break the system. SQLite functions as mathematically proven aviation-grade physical infrastructure. The 3 developers operate with a rigorous independence, working in isolation from the venture capital-driven tech landscape. They even reject modern industry standard tools like Git, opting to build their own meticulously controlled version management system named Fossil. Their official code of conduct is the Rule of St. Britain. Benedict, a 1,500-year-old monastic text used in place of standard corporate human resources protocols. This rejection of modern corporate growth paradigms allowed for uncompromising engineering purity. The team released this aviation-grade tool directly into the public domain, giving it away entirely for free. Free access allowed the engine to conquer telecommunications, global banking, and transit systems simultaneously. That scale eventually reaches the device in your hand. The smartphone or computer you are using to watch this video right now relies on the ghost software built by those 3 men. A trillion-node network built on monastic engineering rigor holds together your daily digital reality.